to demonstrate the tie knot.
All right, so we've already
We've
done
already secured it. Let's see. We've already done our figure of 8.
Well, this is an interrupted.
It's an interrupted. Okay, fine.
And
it can be either one.
Either one. And we've loaded our tie knot device, and at this point, whomever is assisting you can put their fingers through.
So we've taken this outside of the TAMIS port.
That's right.
Okay.
And you can either have your assistant or
somebody
yourself. You can use your fingers, or you can use some forceps. Just put them through the wire snare. Pull the 2 suture tails through the wire snare. You don't. Also, another tip: you don't want to pull too much suture through, only because the way it's designed, it's going to fold over on itself and go through that titanium sleeve. So you'll find it's much harder to pull through if you pull too much through. So you really only want to put a few inches through the wire snare, and then you'll take the curved handle, and you want to pull straight up the shaft towards you.
Okay.
This is something that you don't want to do. You don't want to pull off to the side like this, which I'm doing intentionally.
Okay.
It's because it can act as a sawing motion with the sutures if you pull it off to the side and shear your sutures off. So we always want to make sure we're pulling straight up the shaft, not out to a side when you pull them through. And you pull them all the way through without pushing the device down. So we've pulled them through. We'll hand off this wire snare, curved handle. Notice that I said also pulling straight up the shaft, but you don't want to do one of the things where you're pulling the sutures through and pushing the device down at the same time, because once again the sutures haven't been fed through and you can shear them off. So we just want to make sure we pull them through first, grab our suture tails, then go down
to our target.
You set the tension by pushing the device down, pulling back on your suture, and I'm just going to go ahead and give the red lever a nice firm squeeze, pull on the suture, release, and come off. And it looks like actually I only have the suture going through the...
But that's okay. Very good. Okay.
And if you ever would like to remove, say for example maybe it did tear through the tissue, and you want it to remove one of the titanium knots, you do that just like a regular knot. You'll just take a grasper and some scissors or a knife, and then just go ahead and cut your suture and then just pull the titanium knot off.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good. Catherine, thank you so much. What an informative video, and a lot of people have had questions about this device with TAMIS, and I'm glad that you could come here impromptu and do this awesome video for us to share with everyone.
You're welcome. Thank you. I hope everyone finds it very helpful.